Hey, what's up? Jonathan Belcher here. You guys know I like doing some of my videos around nature, especially when it starts getting warm. I like getting around nature, plants, trees, animals, birds, and stuff like that. So right now I'm actually at like a creek in my area right now, so you can see the beautiful trees and stuff like that. The water looks a little dirty, but you can still kind of see through it, right? So I'm making this video today for those of you who are Herbalife distributors who may have just joined and you're trying to get your first sale. You're trying to build some momentum, build some income in the company. So this video is going to be for those of you who just got started mainly, right? But it's not only for people who just got started. It could be for you if you've been in for a year already and you haven't really made much sales, or it could be for you if you've been in for 3 months and you haven't made your first sale yet. This video is for you. So when you first get started in a business like Herbalife, right, you're gonna have most likely you're gonna have like a local shop, right? You're gonna have like you're gonna have probably like team events and team meetings near your house and stuff like that, probably, right? Unless you're getting started with somebody who doesn't necessarily live close to you, so you would have to then find a local shop in your area. But to make your first sale, right, to start building momentum and start gaining sales in Herbalife, especially if you're a person if you haven't made any money at all, right? I know that there's people out there who they like to see you make the money first before they get started, before they join. They want to see how real it is. Oh, is it real? Oh, did you make any money yet? That's what a lot of people's focus is. So the way that you break through that barrier, if you will, is you gotta use the momentum, use the leverage the results of people who are getting good results in Herbalife, the people who are succeeding, the people who are becoming more fit, the people who are transforming, in their bodies and stuff like that, and their health. You can leverage their story. You can leverage their hold on one second, let me just get some better lighting over here. Alright, cool, we're good again. So you can leverage their results, people who are getting more results than you, and you can share that with other people. And I always tell people, you don't always have to have made your first sale to get a new recruit, right? You don't always have to have your own money to show proof of. A lot of times, all you need is to show some type of proof from somebody out there who is making money in the company, somebody out there who's actually becoming more fit, somebody out there who's actually living proof, who may have lost 50 pounds, 40 pounds, 30 pounds, whatever. Always remember that there's always some type of proof and some type of result that you can leverage from somebody else. So that's number one, is when you get started in Herbalife, look to leverage the results of people who are already succeeding, already making money, and already becoming healthier because of using Herbalife's products. Now, the next thing is, you gotta formulate a love, right, and a passion as a distributor. And what do I mean? What I mean is become passionate. If you joined Herbalife, most likely you are passionate about something. There's a reason why you joined. So I want you to keep in your mind at all times why you got started. What is the reason why you got started in Herbalife? Did you get started because you wanted to lose weight? Did you get started because you wanted to just become healthier? You're already healthier, you just want to become healthier. Did you get started because you're passionate about fitness? Did you get started because you want to spend more time with your children? You want a way to make money to spend more time with your children? Did you get started because you want to travel more? Did you get started because you just love network marketing and Herbalife has the best products to you? What is your why? Did you get started because you want to go off to impact people and help people to become healthier? So once you get started, a few months in, sometimes people tend to slack off. They tend to lose their passion. They tend to lose their drive and forget why they got started in the business that they're in the first place. And for you as a Herbalife distributor, I don't want you to fall into that trap. So what you want to do is formulate a love and a passion for being a Herbalife distributor. You know what I'm saying? Most likely if you're into fitness, you probably already are passionate about Herbalife. But if you haven't found that passion yet, you want to find that passion as soon as possible and hold on to that passion as tight as possible. Because that passion is going to be the fuel that's going to get you through the long nights, through the early mornings, right? That's going to be the fuel that gets you through during times when you may want to give up on yourself, right? That love and that passion is going to be the thing that's going to make you be driven when you come into contact with probably difficult team members, you know, stuff like that. So what I'm saying here is that you got to have a passion and a love for what you do, no matter what it is. You know what I mean? You got to have a passion and a love for what you do, no matter what it is. Lighting's a little off right here. Let's see. That's a little better, right? All right, so you got to have a love and a passion for what you do. That's very important because that's what's going to keep you driven. Now, the next thing, after you're starting to leverage the results of other people, you're promoting that, you know, and you're getting people to see that people in your company are having success, getting results. That's going to start to build momentum for you. Then you formulate a love for what you're doing, and that's going to keep you driven. That's going to keep you driven long enough to sustain the time it takes between you not making a sale and you making your first few sales, right? So that's what the point of the passion and the love that you're formulating for what you do is for. Now, after that, what I would recommend is get with a mentor, get with a coach, get with a training course of some sort that's going to teach you something that's going to give you an advantage and an edge in the Herbalife business or in the network marketing industry. And it doesn't have to be some type of mentorship from just one person. It doesn't have to be a training course from just one person. It doesn't have to be you only taking advice from your upline in Herbalife. It doesn't have to be that. You can look to outside sources that have to do with what you're trying to learn or have to do with what you're doing. And there are people out there who are succeeding and they're willing to share their knowledge. They're willing to share their value. They're willing to share their knowledge, their information with you. So what you can do is get with those people, get those training courses, and literally become a master at online business or at your business in general, right? And what that's going to do is that's going to allow you an edge in the marketplace. That's going to allow you to become more valuable in the marketplace as a Herbalife distributor. And when you get access to training and you get access to mentorship, what naturally happens is you learn information that you can start applying today to your business to start maximizing your results. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with not knowing, having all the answers. There's nothing wrong with going up to somebody and say, hey, how do I do this? How do I do that? There's nothing wrong with that. And because that's the only way you're going to learn. But I don't want you to think that you have to limit yourself to only learning from your upline. You don't have to do that, right? You can reach out to other people and you can really take your business to another level because you're going to know things that the average person in the company doesn't know, right? So that's going to naturally help you to become more successful. So another way that you start getting sales is this. Let's say you got your first sale. Well, if you got your first sale, it would be smart to use Facebook or Instagram, right? And congratulate the person who just joined you in Herbalife, or congratulate the person who just bought a product through you in Herbalife. Congratulate them, you know, shout them out, and, you know, just talk about your vision and how you're here to help that person on your wall, on your Facebook wall, on your Instagram. You can even go to your YouTube and talk about this. And what that's going to do is let other people in the world see that you are helping. That's going to let other people in the world see that you are serious. It's going to let other people on your Facebook wall and on your Instagram wall, they're going to look at you and say, wow, this person is really making a change, not only for themselves, but also for other people. I'm now interested in what that person's doing. I now want to get started in Herbalife. I want to learn some more information. So always remember that even when you get your first sale, you can leverage your first few sales to make more sales. You can leverage your first few results to make more sales. And what if you're in a situation where you haven't made it a sale yet, right? Let's say you didn't make a sale yet, but let's say you've been going to the gym and you've been fucking working out, right? You've been doing your thing in the gym, and let's say you've been losing weight, you've been looking a lot better than you were before, and let's just say as far as your health is going, that's succeeding. Well, you want to use whatever is bringing you results, whatever is allowing you success, you want to use that and promote that. So even if you haven't made your first sale yet, you can promote the fact that you've lost 25 pounds. You can promote the fact that you've lost 30 pounds. You can promote the fact that you've, you're more ripped than you've ever were before. Promote the fact that you feel better than you did when you were 18 years old. Whatever, right? Because now you're promoting a real product. You're promoting something that can really benefit other people out there in the world. You get what I'm saying? And I hope this makes sense. So even if you haven't made a sale yet, just you sharing your story and sharing your journey and your transformation of your and improvement of your health is naturally gonna attract people to you. It's naturally just off the strength of, oh wow, this person is really losing weight, they're really looking good now, and I want to lose weight, I want to look good now. Let me hit them up, let me find out what they're doing, let me find out what they're taking, let me find out what products they're using, stuff like that. This is how people are going to start to think, and this is what's going to cause people, it's going to cause you to become attractive in the marketplace, right? But through all of this I'm talking about of getting your first few sales and building momentum in Herbalife, you got to be consistent, right? You got to have a game plan, and that's why I always tell people, get with a coach, get with a trainer, and you know, not only a trainer in the gym, but a trainer as far as your business education. Because money, you get into business to make money. That's really the end, the goal of getting into business. But if you don't know how to run your business in an efficient and effective way, then there's going to be some money left on the table. And I don't want that to happen to you, right? Because I've been through the days of leaving a lot of money on the table. I've been through the days of, you know, struggling to get new team members, new recruits to join me in my business. And I struggled for a long time before actually starting to have success. So I know that in businesses like Herbalife, it could take a lot, right? And if we don't have a strong mindset and we don't know why we're in the business, we're not passionate about what we do, it could be very easy to kind of like lose faith and lose confidence in ourselves. So you never want to lose that faith. You never want to lose that confidence. So ultimately what I'm saying is, to get your first sale and to build that momentum, you got to get moving. You got to get moving. You got to start sharing with the world, you know, your results. You got to start sharing the world your transformation. Start sharing with the world other people's results, other people's transformations, and share this on Instagram, share this on Facebook, share this on Snapchat, share this with wherever possible to get people to see that, look, you're on a mission. You're on a mission not only to win for yourself, but you're on a mission to help other people win. And that's naturally gonna yield you more results, more income, more happiness, and prosperity in your Herbalife business. Another thing is, you know, you gotta always think about the consumer, right? Always think about the person watching what you're doing, because there's always people watching you. I think sometimes when we get started in business, we have the mindset that like, oh, nobody cares about what I'm doing. You know, nobody's listening to my message. Nobody's, you know, liking my posts. Nobody's messaging me to join and get started. Well, that's not true. That's not true at all. There's a lot of people out there who would love to get started with you in Herbalife. They would love to get started in a home business and lose weight and become healthier and do that while making money. There's plenty of people in the world who would love to do that. And you gotta have that feeling every single day when you wake up in the morning to attack your business. Every single day you gotta be thinking, there's somebody out there today that wants to join me in my business. And you gotta have that mindset 24/7. I know there's somebody out there who needs to get started with me in my business. There's somebody out there who I need to help. There's somebody out there who I need to uplift. And if you're thinking like that every single day in your business, you're naturally gonna build momentum. You're naturally gonna start building sales. Because your belief is gonna trigger the action that you take, right? And it's gonna trigger the action that you take, and then the action that you take is gonna trigger the results. So what I'm saying is, always believe that somebody out there wants to join you. Somebody out there wants to join you right now. They want to join you in your Herbalife business right now. And the question is, do you believe that to be true? I believe that to be true. I know that's true. But the question is, are you gonna publicize your results? Are you gonna publicize your transformation? Are you gonna publicize the results of other people in Herbalife? Are you gonna let people see what it is that you're doing? And as long as you're ready to let people see what it is that you're doing, and you're not afraid to share that and to share that light within you and have it shine, you're gonna start to make sales. You're gonna start to make money, right? So now, of course, this is just a video on how to start getting your first few sales. So I want to stay on topic in this video. Now, another way you can start getting your first few sales is you can like get a product, right? Get one of the company products in Herbalife, right? Because at the end of the day, in order to make money, you got to be selling product. That's how the whole business is surviving, is through selling products. If you don't have a product or a service, you don't have a real business. So get some products in your Herbalife company, you know, have them shipped to your house, or however you get it. Maybe you go to the local shop in your area and you buy products. And when you get these products, give out some samples, some free samples to people. Give out some free samples to people if you can. I don't know how it works exactly, but give out some free samples if you could to people. Have them try out the samples for a couple days or weeks or whatever. And once they get some results, they're going to be more inclined to join you in the business. They're going to be more inclined to actually buy the product. You know, if they got a sample and they seen for themselves, wow, you know, this is making me feel much better, or this supplement is making me feel better, it's making me look better, it's making me whatever, right? But when you give out free samples, you give people a chance to come into your world. And when you give them a chance to come into your world, they get to see for themselves if this is something that will benefit them or not, right? So that's another way to get your first sale, is when you get products, even if you don't got your first sale yet, go out there and give some free samples out. You know, make some shakes for some people, some tasty shakes and stuff like that. Have people come down to your local shop in Herbalife and have them try some things out. And you'll make more product sales that way. All right, so I hope I'm not forgetting nothing. I'm fucking trying to think right now about another way to get your first sale as a Herbalife distributor. I mean, there's a lot more advanced things I could go into, but I really don't have the time in this video. This is not really the purpose of that. That's more so in my training course. I go through some other things. Actually, I show you, the difference is the training course actually shows you step by step how to do and set up your business in a way where it's profitable. That's what my training course does. It's the Power Distributor PRO training course. And honestly, I've been happy with the results it's been getting and how it's been helping people in Herbalife. And we're looking to take things to a whole new level with that as well. I've turned students, literally I've taken students who weren't getting results before in Herbalife. Now they're making thousands of dollars a month through my training products, and now they went from students of mine to business partners of mine. So now, you know, we're basically, what I'm doing is I've been working closely with some of the most successful students that I have to create products. Some of the most successful Herbalife distributor students that I have, we've been working closely to create products to help more distributors in Herbalife make more money online, right? That's the main focus, is to teach you how to make money online so that you can maximize the amount of people who join you in your business and buy your products. So I've been working with Herbalife distributors on that, and I think it's amazing to go from teaching somebody how to get results, and then now once they start getting a lot of results, now we can mastermind, we can share ideas, and we can formulate products, we can formulate services, we can formulate systems to help other people. And I think that's what this is all about, this whole industry. So without any further ado, this is Jonathan Belcher. Please like, share, comment on this video. I would appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more information, more training on Herbalife especially. I mean, I am going to be moving on my training to other companies as well, right? So I'm going to basically be diversifying my talents, if you will, right? I'm going to be diversifying my talents, diversifying my trainings and my value. And because I realized that the things that I've been teaching, the things that I've been talking about are really universal. These are universal concepts. If you notice when you watch my videos, I share with you universal concepts that work not only in one business, but these are concepts that work in multiple businesses, multiple network marketing, direct sales businesses. So that in itself is very powerful, right? That's very powerful, because a lot of people, that means that we'll be able to help a lot more people make more money in their network marketing company. We'll be able to help a lot more people be able to spend more time with their family, travel the world, quit their job with their network marketing company, which is what the goal is from the beginning anyway, right? So this is Jonathan Belcher. Without any further ado, I'm gonna see you later on. Peace.